Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Pick and a Smile. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and comment down below. Today we are going to be making chocolate cake. The ingredients for the chocolate cake will be 1 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda or bicarbonate soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 cups of sugar, 2 large eggs, 1 cup of milk, half a cup of vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extra, and 1 cup of boiling water. We are first going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. Then we are going to grease our baking pan with butter. We are now going to sift together the flour, the cocoa, the baking powder, the baking soda, the sugar and the salt into one large bowl. Then we are going to boil our hot water. While the water is boiling, we are going to add in our eggs, our milk, oil, and vanilla extract. We are going to whisk everything well and make sure we combine everything until there are no more lumps for about 30 seconds. We are now going to add in our boiling hot water into the batter. We are going to mix well and make sure that the cake batter is thin in consistency. Pour the batter into the cake pan and bake for 30 to 35 minutes or until a wooden skewer is inserted into the center of the cake and it comes out clean.
A few moments later.
Let the cake cool for 10 minutes, then turn it over onto a cake stand and let it cool completely.